Hello and welcome to the channel. If you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing. If you're not, welcome back. In today's flight, we're going to be flying to Beverley Airfield for a spot of lunch. It's about 50 miles and it's going to take us about 40 minutes. We're going to be taking off from Heaton Airfield and heading straight to Beverley. Enjoy the flight. Well, I hope you enjoyed today's flight. If you liked the video, press the like button and please consider subscribing for more weekly content. Until next time, thanks for watching.